In this quick video I'm gonna show you how to rebuild Fleck 5600 backwash mode only. Start by putting control in a service mode. Start rolling this wheel around to get pressure out of this area. By the way, the reason I'm replacing or rebuilding it is the wheel gets stuck in numerous areas here, so I have to replace a couple things here. It's very tough to turn it around. It's also a good idea to unplug the power cord. And it is unplugged. Now I'm gonna remove those two bolts in the back. Size is 1/4 inch. Just like that, back cover comes out. Now I'm gonna remove this bolt that goes on a piston into control head. And that's also 1/4 inch. Now I'm gonna remove those two bolts using a flathead screwdriver. Now I'm gonna try to remove this head. Slide it this way and it's out. Just rest it right here. And now we have the piston exposed. And before we remove the plate, there is one more bolt right there. And now we can remove the plate, piston, and that's one of the seals we're going to be replacing soon. But here's the piston itself. Here's the rebuild kit I got on Amazon. It contains everything we need for this project. Now I'm going to remove all seals and spacers from there. I believe it has 5 seals and 4 spacers. First seal, spacer, seal, spacer. This one's a little bit dirty. Seal. Spacer. Again, a bit dirty. Seal. Spacer. And should be just one more seal. Seal. And that's all, nothing else there. So now we're gonna install new seals and spacers. Seal goes first. It's a package with all seals and spacers. New seal. With your finger, push around, make sure it sits flat on the surface. Spacer. Seal. Spacer. Seal. Spacer. Seal. Spacer. And last seal. Now I'm going to install new piston. You can compare it to different color, but it's exact same structure. Just gently push it in. Just like this. Now I'm gonna install that metal plate. You could use flathead screwdriver or 5/16 socket. I like to hand tighten it first. Now I'm going to install control head on top of this. And install those two other screws with flathead screwdriver. And same thing, I like to hand tighten it first. Then I'm gonna use flathead screwdriver. New rebuild kit comes with new bolt and washer. And I'm gonna be using that to secure the piston into control head. And again, that's a 1/4-inch bolt. I'll just double check, make sure it's flowing freely. And it is. Very easy. Now I'm gonna secure the back cover. And use 1/4-inch socket. And finally, put the unit back in service. And before doing anything else, I'm gonna connect the power. Change settings, now it's 530. And I'm gonna start process of removing iron from water. And that's how you rebuild Fleck 5600 backwash only control unit. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to respond as soon as I can. I'll provide Amazon affiliate links for the rebuild kit, as well as head unit itself. Thanks for watching. See you next time.